Here we will be discussing about the different stages in the development of a female gametophyte from megaspore in case of Selaginella. As we all know, development of the megaspore led to formation of 4 megaspores. Among these 4 megaspores, there are chances that the 3 megaspore may degenerate, leading to formation of one successful functional megaspore. So the megaspore usually have a structure somewhat like this, which is having 3 different layers, that is outer exospore, middle mesospore and inner endospore. Inner to the endospore we have this tri-radiate ridge. Now this is a structure of a mature megaspore, followed by here the megaspore divides rapidly compared to the inner 2 layers, leading to formation of this outermost layer is dividing rapidly. That's the reason this is dividing very slow compared to the rate to what the exospore is dividing. That's the reason there is a formation of this big gap. Also, there is a development of a conspicuous vacuole. This conspicuous vacuole develop within the cytoplasm of the megaspore, and some free nuclei formation also takes place. Thus the megaspore nucleus, these nucleus, they divide rapidly, repeatedly, leading to formation of a nuclear division. See, this is nothing but a free nuclear division. Free nuclear division in the sense there is no formation of a cell wall around this nucleus. In the sense these are not cells, these are just a nucleus. So this is kind of a liquid endosperm. Free nuclei in the cytoplasm is nothing but liquid endosperm, which is usually nutritive in nature, as we can see in higher plants like gymnosperms and angiosperms. But what changes occur is as a result of this formation of a thin layer of multinuclear cytoplasm, a large vacuole is developed. The next step will be the formation of cell walls. Now around this nucleus, cell wall formation takes place, where not in this entire layer, only near the apical region. Now these apical region nuclei will be having a cell wall around them, and this is differentiated from the rest layer by formation of an arc or a wall. So at the apical region we can see a wall which is differentiated, leading to formation of a cell, nuclei containing cell only at the apical region. Why this differentiation is there is because at this apical notch, wherever the cell formation has taken place, there is a formation of a archegonium, that is a female gamete where egg is present. That development is going to take place on this apical part here in this apical part. Now at this stage of megaspore, now apical patch is formed, which contains cell, which is separated from the rest of the gametophyte by a formation of a wall, arc or a diaphragm or a wall. Now at this stage, this megaspore is shed from the megasporangium. It is shed from the megasporangium. Next, the female gametophyte increases its size. It is going to increase in the size. This increase in the size exerts pressure on the wall of the megaspore. The pressure exerted on the wall results in a split opening of the megaspore wall, where along this tri-radiate ridge, it is going to split open, and also tuft of rhizoids are going to develop from the end of these tri-radiate ridge. Now the tissue, now this is like a mature gametophyte is developed from a megaspore. These tuft of rhizoids which formed, they are going to anchor this entire gametophyte to the soil in order to provide some support, and also it is going to absorb nutrient as well as water. In this way, these tuft of rhizoids are going to play an important role in absorption of water, nutrient, and apart from that by providing support in the form of anchoring. So this was different stages in the development of female gametophyte from megaspore in case of Selaginella. Now in this apical notch there is one of the cell gets activated. That cell we are going to call it as an archegonial initial cell. This archegonial initial is going to divide further. What all the different divisional developmental stages we will be looking further. What I mean to tell is, in this place there is a formation of archegonia. Thank you.